What's up, guys? Mr. 66 here, doing a little follow-up from last night for our crypto cartel Discord. You guys, I just wanted to show you what happened after hours in pre-market this morning. We were going over the NASDAQ QQQ, and I was talking about Elliott waves, impulse waves, and I showed you this potential wave one right here. I'm going to grab this arrow. This was our wave one going up. This was our wave two. This was our extended wave three. It's slightly longer. And then we got to about here and the move hadn't completed. And I wasn't sure if this was a wave three or a wave five, a wave four or wave five, if wave three had ended here and wave five had begun yet, had wave four completed, I guess is a better way to ask the question. And so we got to about here, and it had not completed. And I had a feeling that it might, but I wasn't sure. Sure enough, in after hours, this continued, and we got the completion of our wave four, and then we did get an actual wave five up. And you can see this gap right here. And I just want to show you the levels. This is the same Fibonacci retracement and extension that I posted last night. Went right up to, let's see if you can see this here, the 2.414, which was this extra extension level that I added on when something really runs. Look what it ran to, right to the red line, which is 2.414. You can see it hit here and it actually retraced down to the 1.618, and then it bounced back up. And I just want to show you one other thing with an impulse wave, a 5-wave pattern going up. I'm going to grab the numbers here. So this will be our wave one, this will be our wave two, wave three, wave four, oops, and then wave five. And what I wanted to show you guys, so I'm going to delete this. Just keep in mind that this wave right here is our wave four. So in Elliott theory, there's this principle that the wave two, which is going to be this guy right here, should be approximately the same length as the wave four. And if I drag this arrow over, look at that, almost exact. The other principle is that they will be different. The wave four correction pattern will be different than the wave two. And the wave two you can see is kind of a downward falling wedge. And the wave four is kind of a triangle, horizontal, rangy kind of a thing. So even though they're roughly the same length and the price action goes roughly the same distance, the two waves are usually opposites. And that's a characteristic of corrective waves. So we've got on a 5-wave impulse up, we've got a nice strong impulse wave, then we get a number 2 corrective, then we get a number 3 impulse, then we get a number 4 corrective, and then if we're really lucky and they let the 5-wave go, we get another impulse wave going up, and that's what we got here. I was just like so surprised by how exactly these levels played out, and I want to show you what happened in the extended hours, because right now we're looking at this gap right here, and there was trading going on during the extended hours, and this is what it looks like with that turned on. So you can see what happened. This blue shaded area and this kind of yellowy beige shaded area, this is all after hours pre-market. And so this is our wave 3, and it kind of petered out and went sideways. And then the wave 5 happened, and you can see it bounced right off this support line. By the way, this support line was drawn from at some point in the last few weeks. This is a level I've used a few times. So that was already plotted. Bounced, tested it as support right here, bounced right up to the 2.414, and then came down to this other previous line of support, which was also drawn several days ago. This is a level that's been tested a few times. And then we got our completion of the wave. It went sideways, and this is how it finished out. I think I actually entered a trade in here, which I'm still in, thinking that this may run some more once it finishes consolidating. So that's it for NASDAQ. I just want to show you the TQQ, very similar chart. Again, this is the same chart that I recorded last night. And let me grab an arrow here. Let's see. I think it's right there. Okay, so this would be the start of the move right here. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, extended wave 3, slightly longer than wave 1. Wave 4. Wave 4 is about the same length as wave 2, and you can see there's slightly different correction patterns. Here's your gap up, right up to the 2.414, and then this came down, almost touching the 1.618, and then almost touching the 200% level here. Kind of formed this range, and right here you can see it's breaking out. So we got a nice breakout on volume down here. So that looks good for Monday morning. We'll see if that continues. Hopefully it will. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you that update. Hope you're having a good weekend, and we will see you on Monday. Cheers.